What's the meaning of community care? Community care. Community care.
Community care. Community care. Community care refers to a system of healthcare and social services that is provided at the local level, typically by community organizations and volunteers. The aim of community care is to provide individuals with access to affordable, quality healthcare services within their own communities, promoting greater autonomy, self-sufficiency, and social inclusion. This approach has been shown to reduce healthcare costs and improve health outcomes, particularly for vulnerable populations such as the elderly and those with disabilities. Overall, community care represents a shift towards more personalized and community-based models of healthcare delivery.